Assalamu alaikum class 7, welcome to your lecture of English. Students, in today's video lecture we are going to revise the next topic. We had done present perfect active passive verbs in the previous video, so today we are going to do active passive voice present past perfect tenses. Okay, as you know that past is something related to the thing that has happened before. Okay, so all things are same in present past perfect tenses. The rule is the helping verb is had, had, and then all the rules remain same. We will use third form of verb. Okay, uh, and as you know, I had told you that there are three main rules to change an active sentence into a passive sentence, and the three rules are that use of by, use of third form of verb, and interchange position of subject and object. Okay, so today we are going to do voice of perfect tenses, past perfect tenses. It's on page number 7 on your worksheets. Do open your worksheets and you can see this worksheet there. So you can see that I had solved some random sentences here. Okay, and other ones will be done by your own self. I will check it in the physical classes. So let's start. Number 1 sentence, you can see it's a negative sentence. They had not caught the thieves. You can see had is written here, so it is a past perfect tense. Okay, so how can we change a past perfect sentence into a passive voice? Okay, all rules are remain same, but only you have to add been. Okay, as I told you in the previous video, only you have to add been in perfect tenses. Okay, so object will become subject here. The thieves had not been caught by them. You can see we have applied all four rules here. We have interchanged the position of subject and object. We have used been, we have used third form of verb, and we have used by. Okay, next sentence is, it's an interrogative sentence. Had she found him? So it will be changed like this: had he been found by her? Okay, and a question mark there. Okay, next is, had they noticed us? So us will be changed into we. Okay, and then the sentence will be like this: had we been noticed by them? Okay students, next is, I had worn blue shoes. So the object will become a subject in a passive sentence, and the object is blue shoes, so it will become a subject here. Blue shoes had been worn by me. You can see we have interchanged the position of subject and object in this sentence. We have used been, we have used third form of verb, we have used by. Okay students, okay, let us do one more sentence. Okay, she had not noticed me. So change it in a passive sentence. So object will become a subject. I had not been noticed by her. Okay students, so I hope that you can understand it very well. I have made these revision videos for you so that you can understand it very well, and it will be helpful for you all in your coming monthly tests that are starting from Monday. So do these worksheets in your homework, and I will check it in the physical classes at school. So this was all for today. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone.